The Rivian R1T has already carved its niche as the thinking person's electric truck. A capable and thoughtfully designed machine that blends everyday usability with a gunny-wear spirit. But in the fast-evolving world of electric vehicles, standing still is moving backward. As we look toward the 2027 model year, the question isn't just what the R1T will be, but where it will lead the entire segment. Forget incremental updates. Expect a significant leap forward, building on the foundational excellence of the first generation and integrating the cutting-edge tech we're beginning to see in Rivian's expanding lineup. Fresh off a significant refresh for the 2025 model year, which introduced a mind-bending 1,025 horsepower quad-motor variant and a more efficient zonal electrical architecture. The stage is set for the 2027 R1T2, redefine the adventure truck landscape once again, while Rivian's immediate focus is on launching its smaller, more accessible R2 and R3 models. The innovations developed for these platforms will undoubtedly find their way into the next iteration of its flagship pickup, evolving the iconic design. The R1T's friendly, yet rugged aesthetic is a core part of its identity, and we don't expect a radical departure. The signature stadium headlights and full-width light bar are here to stay. However, by 2027, expect these elements to become more sophisticated. Look for more advanced adaptive lighting, capable of projecting information or intricately shaping the beam to avoid dazzling oncoming drivers. A feature Rivian has already hinted at. We also anticipate a greater emphasis on aerodynamic efficiency. Subtle refinements to the bodywork, active aerodynamic elements, and new wheel designs will likely be employed to push the truck's range even further. A critical metric for any EV. New paint options and customizable trim packages will almost certainly be part of the update, allowing for a greater degree of personalization. Performance and powertrain. The next generation of power, the 2025 R1T, already boasts staggering performance figures. So, where does Rivian go from here? The answer may lie not just in raw power, but in efficiency and refinement. By 2027, the in-house developed enduro motors will be in their next generation, likely offering even better thermal management and power density. While the quad-motor setup will remain the halo offering, the real-world sweet spot will likely be an enhanced tri-motor configuration. This setup provides a thrilling blend of blistering acceleration and long-distance cruising capability. For the 2027 model, expect further software and hardware integration to optimize power delivery for every conceivable situation, from rock crawling to high-speed highway merging. The most significant powertrain evolution, however, could be in the battery technology. While the 2025 models introduced a cost-effective lithium iron phosphate LFP battery for the standard pack, by 2027, we could see the introduction of semi-solid-state batteries or advanced NMC nickel manganese cobalt chemistries. This would not only boost energy density, potentially pushing the top-tier range well beyond the current 420-mile estimate, but also unlock even faster charging speeds. A move to an 800-volt architecture, or something even more advanced, seems like a logical and necessary step to minimize downtime on long adventures. A cabin for the future. Smarter, more sustainable, and more luxurious. Rivian's interiors have always been a masterclass in minimalist luxury, blending sustainable materials with intuitive technology. For the 2027 R1T, expect this philosophy to deepen. The user interface, already praised for its clean design, will likely evolve to be more predictive and personalized. Powered by more advanced AI, imagine the truck learning your routines, the cabin, and queuing up your favorite playlist as you approach. We also anticipate an evolution in materials. While vegan leather and sustainably sourced wood will remain, Rivian will likely introduce new, even more innovative and durable materials that further reduce the vehicle's environmental footprint without compromising on a premium feel. From a practical standpoint, owners have been vocal about their desires. It would be no surprise to see options for second-row captain's chairs, offering a more luxurious experience for passengers on long journeys. Enhanced interior storage solutions and an even more versatile gear tunnel are also likely on the development roadmap. The road ahead, autonomy and connectivity by 2027. The landscape of autonomous driving will have matured significantly. The 11-camera, 5-radar suite in the current R1T provides a powerful foundation. For the 2027 model, expect a much more robust Driver Plus system, offering true hands-free driving capabilities on an expanded network of highways and potentially even on some marked trails. The processing power will see a significant upgrade, enabling more nuanced and confident decision-making from the vehicle's AI. Connectivity will also reach new heights. The R1T will be more deeply integrated into your digital life, with seamless smart home and device integration. The vehicle's advanced network of sensors could even allow it to act as a mobile weather station or contribute to environmental data mapping, truly embodying the spirit of a connected, adventurous vehicle. The 2027 Rivian R1T is poised to be more than just an electric truck. It represents the next logical step in the evolution of personal transportation, where immense capability, thoughtful design, and cutting-edge technology converge. It will be a vehicle that not only takes you on adventures but actively enhances them, all while pushing the boundaries of what we expect from an electric vehicle. The future of the adventure truck is electric, and Rivian is holding the map.